So I'm about to make some chicken teriyaki. I have some minced garlic and I got some green onions. Here's the chicken. I already chopped it up and I put the garlic in there. What else? Oh, my phone holding up the sauce. That's why I can't find it. Okay, and I have some Japanese style teriyaki sauce. It's from the Food Network Kitchen, whatever. We felt like this would be a better option, so we got this kind. And yeah, and it's just gonna be served over some brown rice, so that'll be next. And I already got my pan with my oil in it. This thing ain't getting hot. Okay, let me turn on the pan. This is just some regular vegetable oil, so when I get to cooking, I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so let's cook. First, I'm going to take my Tony's Creole seasoning. It's the original kind. And I'm going to put about a tablespoon of that on the chicken. And then I'm going to use maybe, I would recommend using like a teaspoon of the Slap Your Mama because it is very spicy. If you have the hot kind, it's very, very spicy. But I'm using like a tablespoon because I like mine's kind of spicy. And then I'm going to use some garlic powder. I'm not gonna lie, I probably put a lot of garlic powder because I love garlic powder. So I'm guessing I probably use at least maybe like 3 tablespoons. And then I use some onion powder, and I probably used about like maybe just like 1 tablespoon of that. Also, I'm gonna use some seasoning salt, but I do not put a lot of seasoning salt in my food because I've already used the Tony's Creole seasoning. I used to Slap Your Mama, and those seasonings have salt in them, and you don't want to use a lot of that on top of using the seasoning salt. By now, my vegetable oil should be very hot in my pan, but not burning hot. Just hot enough to, to make sure that my food is sizzling. And I used about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil to make sure it's enough because it is a lot of chicken that I'm putting in the pan. At this point, I'm just browning my chicken and making sure it's nice and golden. Okay, now that I have my vegetable oil in my wok, I'm gonna put the green onions in there. Now that my green onions are sauteed, I'm going to take my Japanese style teriyaki cooking sauce from the Food Network Kitchen, and I'm going to pour it into the wok with my green onions and let that simmer for about 10 minutes. When I say this brand of teriyaki sauce was amazing, it was so good. It wasn't too sweet. It wasn't too tangy. It was just like perfect. Of course, me being me, I had to add in more of the spicy flavor. I had to add in some more Slap Your Mama because I just love spicy food. And I added in some more onion powder just because no reason. I just be experimenting and just playing around with flavors. And it came out like perfect. I'm not gonna lie. It came out perfect. So now you're gonna add in your chicken and you're gonna let that, kind of marinate. Let that flavor marinate into your chicken for at least, I want to say, 15 minutes, and then you're good to go. Like, this meal did not take long at all. It was amazing. But I feel like it's imperative that you let that sauce kind of marinate into the chicken, because that's what made it so flavorful to me. Okay, so now that that's done, I've already steamed some brown rice. So now I'm just gonna add my chicken onto the plate. And if you know me, you know that I'm always trying to make my plates look amazing. Like, I like to plate my food, and it just looks good. I feel like it's more appetizing when the plate just looks amazing. You know. People always joke about how I make my food look, but I'm just all about that, like, because I love to take pictures of my food and make it look really good. And I feel like it looks like a chef made it. So yes, that is all, y'all. This meal was very quick and easy. So I'm gonna do more of these videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know, if you made this meal and how yours turned out. I randomly just decided to start recording, so tune into the next video because it's gonna be a full show.